guys, I'm Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and for my today's video I'm going to create this glossy makeup look. So please let's get into the video. Now first I'll use the Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist and I'll spray it all over to my face and just dab it with this dry beauty blender. Once it's done, I'll use this Nykaa Apricot Kernel Oil. It comes with a dropper. Now I'm using this facial oil just to give that extra shine to my face and that glossy effect. So I'll take 4-5 drops of this oil all over to my face and then I'll massage it in the circular motion, and also I'll massage it over to my eyes. After massaging it, I'll keep it for 5 minutes and then I'll use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Luminous Primer. Now it has very tiny shimmer particles to it and hence it will add an luminous effect to my face. Then I'll use this L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation in the shade 2R2C and I'll mix it with this L'Oreal True Matte Lumi Illuminator so that it will add an extra glow and shine to my face for this glossy look. I'll take this damp beauty blender and I'll start blending my foundation, and you can see that how seamlessly my foundation blends. Also I'll blend my foundation towards my neck so that it all looks even. Once my foundation is blended, I'll take this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. With the help of the spoolie, I'll give a shape to my eyebrows, and then with this angular brush, I'll just give very light strokes and I'll keep my eyebrows natural. And now to give that precise shape, I'll use this Wet n Wild concealer and I'll just clean up my extra hairs, and also I'll put the concealer above my brows and I'll give that very precise shape to my eyebrows. This step will ensure that your eyebrows look more defined and clean. Now I'll take this Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand and I'll conceal my usual areas, that is the corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and also I'll use the concealer to prime my eyes and I'll put it all over to my lid. I'll start blending it from the center of my forehead so that I get that extra coverage under my eyes. And to set my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'll take this fluffy brush, dust off the excess, and I'll set my eyes. And to set all my base, I'm using this Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist. I'll spray it all over to my face and just dab it with this damp beauty blender. Now for my eyes, I'm using this Brave Spirit from Makeup Revolution. I'll take this golden shade with my fingers and I'll just put it all over to my eyelid. Now this eye look is so simple. I'll just take this fluffy brush and diffuse that golden shade. For my lower lash line, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette and taking this dark brown shade, and to highlight my inner corner, I'm using this golden shade from the Brave Spirit palette, and also I'm highlighting my brow bone. Moving on to the liner, I'm using this Maybelline Bold Colossal liner and I'll create a wing with it. Now once I'm done with the liner, I'll take this kajal and I'll put it to my upper lash line as well as to my waterline to get that fuller effect. And now I'm using this L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara and I'm giving 2 coats of mascara to my lower lashes as well as to my upper lashes. And for my blush, I'm using this Pack Cream blusher in the shade number 06, and this is a creamy blush and it is perfect for my glossy look. I'll blend this with my fingers, and for my highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and to get that more shinier effect, I'm just spraying this makeup fixer to my beauty blender and I'm taking this highlighter so that it will give a more shinier effect to my face. With the help of this fluffy brush, I'm just highlighting my nose and my cupid's bow. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Scarlet Serene. This is a beautiful red lipstick, and I'll mix this lipstick with this Maybelline Intense Crayon, and all the product links will be given in the description box, so do check it. And with this, I complete my today's glossy makeup tutorial. final look, and I hope that you like this look. And it was super easy to create this glossy look. And do mention on the comments below that how did you like this look, and also please do not forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye, take care.